When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Dili tagyo, uy, dili tagyo.
And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Hi guys. Welcome to me.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
Wala sa stress guys.
Whisper words of wisdom,
Wala sa
let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer.
Hi
Let it
guys.
be.
Hey guys. Hello. Hi guys. Bye-bye. Hi
But
guys.
though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see.